So what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So I think you all just got clickbaited. That's not my fault, guys. This is a 2x2. This is another 2x2. This is a 3x3. This is another 3x3. This is another 3x3. This is one and only a 4x4. This is a cube. And this is a pyramid. Quite nice, huh? Just you got top of everything. Yes. See the difference between the color shades? See the difference? I don't care. Okay, let's see some different stuff. So this is a mirror blocks. It turns horribly. Let me just show you a pattern. This turns horribly, you know what? How is that? Is it looking fine? You know what? I did this thing on this cube and this is the result. And this is a clock. How is that? And now let's come to the accessories. This is a cube bag. Nice. This is another cube bag. Nice. And this is another cube bag. But you know what? You go there. This is a lube. Cube lube. This is the thing which you put on this thing, like here. This is the boxes. Where to put? Just here. These are some random accessories. Just go here, we'll go here, and you go here. Okay, that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Wait, what? Do you really think that I'm gonna end this video? You know what? Yes.